How will you know if you have an assignment? It'll be hard not to know. It'll pop up like this within the Teams app. It'll show like this as a notification on a mobile device. The icon will show a small number. You'll get this pop up. The Teams class icon will have a number beside it as well. Your activity feed will show it here. And within the general page, it will show here if the assignment has been set for the whole class. From these notifications, you will only see the title. If the assignment has been set for the whole class, just click on the View Assignment button and all the details for the assignment and any resources that are needed will be available to you. If the assignment has been set for a group of children or an individual, then you can find all the assignments from the Assignment tab at the top. If you can't see the Assignment tab, there's sometimes a little cross that you might have to click. This will all look different depending on the device that you're using, but it generally works the same way. Within the assignment, there is the Immersive Reading function. This function will make this accessible to all of our learners, and it can read aloud what is expected. If you complete work and you'd like to show your class teacher what has been completed, then you just have to click the Add Work button, and then you can attach any work that you've completed by uploading it from your device in this section here. Once you've uploaded it, just say Submit. What if you have a question about the home learning activity? Well, then that's where you can just post a question on the general section and on your class team. Any questions you post there, they may be answered by another member of the class or by the class teacher, but this should be a supportive environment. Thank you so much for watching our video about home learning at Ratho Primary School. I hope it's been helpful. If you have any questions about any of this or anything else, please contact us on the school email address admin@ratho.edin.sch.uk. Thank you very much.